Hey guys, this is Evan over at Northside Truck Sales. We got a 2022 Ford F-150 Raptor. Customer just traded this in for a little bit newer Raptor. So I got this for sale and we're just gonna drive it around, see how it feels. See how loud this exhaust is now. Pretty good for stock. Like that. So something about these newer model Rangers, specifically this 2022, you can change the exhaust notes, suspension, feel of the steering without changing the drive mode of the truck. So in previous model years, you know, if you wanted a little bit louder exhaust on, let's say I have a 2018, so if I want to get a little bit deeper exhaust note on that, I got to change my drive mode to sport, which changes your shift patterns, kind of how the truck operates and feels. On this 22 specifically, you know, we can change the exhaust note to quiet. Now you may not necessarily pick that up on camera like we do in person, but this thing's quiet as a regular F-150 off the showroom floor. I mean, you're not gonna piss off any grandparents. Be quiet through the neighborhood, sneaking back in the driveway at night. But you know, on the flip side of that, you want to go back to normal. You know, let's get a little bit deeper tone. Switch it to sport mode here. You can hear it open up a little bit more. And then we got Baja mode. And the Ford's yelling at me. Off-road use only, so we're gonna get away from that. Don't want to get in trouble. But that's a nice feature that Ford kind of rolled out. You know, if you just want to make your truck sound a little bit beefier without changing your drive mode, you know, you have that option as well. We got heated and cooled seats. I wouldn't necessarily say that that's a new technology. You know, cars have had those out for a while, but that's definitely a great feature that you want either, you know, during the winter hours, remote start your vehicle, get in there, heated steering wheels on, heated seats on, get your nice leather seats. You don't have to worry about the old school days of hopping in leather seats and freezing until the vehicle gets up to operating temp. So heated seats, cooled seats in the summer. Here in Oregon, we only get lucky to have a couple of really hot days, but man, when those hot days are here, the cooled seats are a really nice feature to have. Seats are bolstered, so you're kind of more bucket seat style. Fit in there pretty good when you're taking this thing off-road or even just you know, cruising down the street. You feel really secure, feel planted in these seats. So, you know, that's a nice feature that the Raptor kind of provides. So our website price is $66,900, but if you reach out and work with me personally, I'll do $66,400. Or make sure if you meet up with one of my other sales guys, you mention that you saw this video, and we'll get you going with that price. All right, so on this truck, we got BF Goodrich 35-inch all-terrain tires linked up with our factory Ford 17-inch wheels. So on this truck specifically, we got the factory Ford tonneau cover. You can drop your tailgate, just 2 pushes on your key. Tailgate will drop down automatically. That's really nice to have. We got full onboard power here in the back. Got a step with something to grab onto, and then we also got the work surface here on the tailgate. All right guys, we're back inside the Raptor. Something I kind of want to showcase on this truck specifically, we can drop that shifter down, and we got a nice little workspace right here. Want to read a book, eat your food, get some work done. All right, so right here we got the front camera pulled up, and then a 360-degree view over here. But if you go into these options over here, we can go full front, and then a couple different views from the front. There's our back camera. You know, right here we got your basic audio, phones, connected phones, of course, navigation, your phone list, apps, settings, features. Ford made this really easy to use, and if you get your phone connected and hooked up there, you got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. But Ford made this really easy, nice, and neat to work with. So we got your standard 12 volt plug-in up here. And then this is a nice feature to have up front. A lot of cars have them in the back. The Ford featured a 120 volt plug-in. This truck, we got rear seat storage. Throw anything down in there that you might want to store and kind of keep out of the way, and then your seats just go down and work as a regular truck rear seats. All right, guys, that's it for our 2022 Ford F-150 Raptor. Come on down, like I said, $500 off if you mention you saw this video. We're located in Portland, Oregon. We'll see you next time.